Amy asked me how you could do highlighting in the notes that I'm distributing for the class. And the Markdown uh, language is fairly simple in what it allows you to do. You can insert HTML tags in general, although like Bitbucket doesn't necessarily render the HTML to do color spans, etc. But that's probably more tedious than what most people want to work with. I had you install the Pandoc document conversion tool. It said it wasn't required, and it's not really, but it has a lot of useful functionality that we can exploit in the class. So first off, Pandoc has pretty nice documentation that you can read here on the pandoc.org site. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how you can take Pandoc and use it to convert Markdown, or actually a variety of document formats, into another format. So in this case, I'm going to take the homework that I signed as a Markdown file, and it's going to convert it to I'm going to convert it to a Word document. So the command is Pandoc, and there's a variety of command line options you can run. In this case, I'm going to use a capital S to tell it to use smart quotes, and then a -O for output file, and I'm going to name it docx, and then it takes the file that I want to convert, and now I should have a docx file in my directory, and I can open that. And this is now what the converted Word document looks like. And so now if I want to add notes or whatever, I can do highlighting, font, whatever, add my own notes. My only caveat here would be, once you've created a docx file, because it's going to be a binary file, it's a compressed zip file of an XML, do not commit the Word document back into your repository. Okay, so that's how we can convert Markdown files. Well, we can also convert the use Pandoc to, well, there's a variety of formats. So we can create an EPUB book. I don't know if anyone's interested in that. But if we just do a dash, change this to an EPUB, which is an ebook format. And now I have this EPUB file, and I can try opening that. Which on my Mac should open up in iBooks, and here is an ebook format. So we can convert to HTML, we can convert to PDF if we have LaTeX installed, we can convert to HTML, and we can convert from a docx file back to a Markdown file if we want to. Okay, let me close that. All right, so now let's go to a different module where we've got a notebook. So here I have a file, brief introduction to NumPy or Python basic numeric type. So let's take that. So what we'll do here is we can do Jupyter or IPython, and we can do NB convert, and we tell it to what format we want to convert the notebook to. And oh, okay, typo. Convert. Hopefully this works. Going slowly. Let's see, what do we get? Okay, it's not going to let me convert to a docx here. So I can say convert to, let's do HTML instead. And if we look here, I have the documents up for NB convert. And so there are a variety of, again, command line options we can do to modify what kind of output we're going to get. So in this case, we're just going to get HTML. Hopefully this runs this time. And I can do open Python basic HTML. And this is a HTML rendering of the IPython notebook. So just in summary, Pandoc and Jupyter NB Convert provide us a lot of functionality for converting files into different formats. This may be of interest to you if you want to take the notes and create highlighted notes or however you want to modify it for your own note.